What is the best advice anyone ever gave you, and what was it, and who gave it to you?
Oh, mm, I guess my mother, bro. The biggest advice she gave me said, always, no matter what, respect a black woman because that's where you come from. In other words, she was telling me no matter whether right, wrong, or indifferent, always respect the black woman. That lesson I've learned living it, going from having three daughters and beautiful mates all my life, and all of us are very close and tight. And that does not mean we always agreed on everything, but I learned how to respect them despite shortcomings. So I guess that's the biggest one. My mom taught me that, and she raised us on that kind of principle. She said, whether you get along or no longer get along, you never disrespect a black woman. And so many opportunities I had to be in a situation where I would disrespect a black woman, I would walk away from it. I think that was one of the best advice she ever gave me because I've so far most of all the women in my life I've never had that issue with where we never wanted to speak with each other, never wanted to be around. So I have a good relationship with black women in my life, even those who I was married for 25 years. Mother, I have a daughter outside of that marriage. So I have three daughters and those two sisters. And now I've been with a sister now, Kathy English Hope, my significant other, for 25 years again. And we
Mm.
all of us are friends and family, all of us still. So, I mean, and then I also have stepchildren. We all are friends and family. So I guess from that lesson, I was able to keep the peace despite all the differences and all the things going on. And everybody loves one another and their friends. So I think that's one of the biggest blessings that this black man has had in this life is to be able to be respected back by those black women and to be able to give respect to those black women, which has led me to respect other black women.
Mm.